Rev up your engine and get ready to gear up. We're about to take you on a wild ride through the world of car accessories. Amazon's got the latest and greatest gadgets to turn your ordinary ride into an extraordinary experience. Tired of the hassle of wired CarPlay? Our wireless CarPlay dongle is here to save the day. No more fumbling with cords or worrying about compatibility. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your wired CarPlay experience into a seamless, wireless journey. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to the freedom of wireless connectivity. Our dongle is designed to work with almost all factory CarPlay-equipped cars, so you can enjoy all your favorite CarPlay features: navigation, music, Siri, phone calls, and more, without the limitations of a cable. How does it work? It's incredibly easy. Just plug the dongle into your car's CarPlay port, and it'll automatically connect to your iPhone. No extra apps, no complicated setups, just pure, uninterrupted CarPlay. Once you've set it up, the dongle will remember your connection and automatically activate wireless CarPlay every time you start your car. Our dongle is more than just a convenience. It's also compact and lightweight, so it won't take up much space in your car. And with both USB and USB-C compatibility, you can use it with virtually any car. Plus, we're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, our team is here to provide lifetime technical support and replacement. Upgrade your driving experience today. With our wireless CarPlay dongle, you'll never look back at the days of tangled wires. So, you want that show-stopping shine for your ride? Look no further than Butter Wet Wax. This bad boy is packed with natural carnauba wax, polymers, and resins, giving your car, boat, or RV a deep, wet look that'll turn heads. It's like a superhero cape for your vehicle's paint, glass, and metal surfaces. Think you already have a ceramic coating? No problem. Butter Wet Wax can be used as a boosting layer to amp up that shine and protection even more. But hey, leave the matte finishes alone. This wax loves a glossy finish. The sun's UV rays can be a real pain, fading your paint and causing all sorts of damage. Butter Wet Wax acts like a shield, protecting your vehicle's finish and helping it last longer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Butter Wet Wax is a breeze to use. Just apply a few drops to an applicator, spread it evenly, and buff away any excess with a microfiber towel. Check the bottle for detailed instructions. Want your Chevy or GMC to stand out from the crowd? Our ToughLock bullet antenna is the answer. Forget those long, boring whips and add a touch of attitude to your truck. Crafted with precision and built to last, our bullet antenna features ToughLock technology, a unique thread-locking compound that helps deter theft. It's a one-time use application, but it takes some serious effort to remove. Installation is a breeze. Simply unscrew your old antenna and screw on the bullet antenna by hand. No tools needed. It takes just a few minutes and it's fully reversible. Our bullet antenna is compatible with all your favorite features, including Bluetooth, Sirius XM, satellite radio, and auxiliary audio inputs, so you can keep listening to your tunes without missing a beat. And let's talk about the looks. The 50 cal antenna mast is the same size as a real 50 caliber bullet, guaranteed to turn heads. It's made from durable 6061 billet aluminum with a hard anodized black finish that won't chip or fade. Plus, it's completely car wash safe. So why wait? Upgrade your truck today with our ToughLock bullet antenna. It's the perfect way to add style, security, and performance. Ever struggled to hold your gas cap while fueling your 2016-2023 Tacoma? The EUHomie gas cap holder is the perfect solution. This patented design provides a secure spot for your gas cap, preventing those annoying scratches on your truck's side. Simply unscrew the gas cap and insert it into the holder. The holder's unique design ensures a snug fit, preventing the cap from slipping or bouncing around. With a quick left turn to remove and a right turn to lock, it's easy to use and hassle-free. The EUHomie gas cap holder is not only practical, but also helps keep your truck clean. No more worrying about gas stains or dirt getting trapped around the fuel door. Plus, the holder's round hole design prevents the cap from getting stuck or lost. Installation is a breeze. Just remove the screw from your fuel tank door, slide the holder's indentation into the lip, and reinstall the screw. That's it. You're ready to enjoy the convenience and peace of mind that the EUHomie gas cap holder offers. You've got a car and want to give it a little personality? Look no further than GVY Car Lights. With over 16 million colors to choose from, you can customize your ride to match any mood. And if you're feeling creative, try snapping a pic of your favorite sunset or piece of artwork and let GVY's smart color picking technology do the rest. Want to turn up the party? GVY's got you covered. Just connect your phone to the lights and let the built-in mic sync your music to the show. Choose from soft or dynamic mode and watch your car lights dance to the beat. It's like having a personal DJ on wheels. But that's not all. GVY Car Lights are super easy to install thanks to their flexible design and long wires. And with the included adhesives, clips, and screws, you can be sure they'll stay put, no matter how bumpy the road gets. Plus, they're waterproof, so rain or shine, your lights will always be ready to shine. So whether you're cruising down the highway or just parked in your driveway, GVY Car Lights are the perfect way to add a touch of pleasant surprises in your RV's holding tank. Portapak is here to save the day. This powerful deodorizer breaks down waste and stubborn toilet paper, keeping your tank running smoothly and your sensors working as they should. No more clogs or backups. Say goodbye to embarrassing odors and hello to a fresh and clean RV. Portapak is designed to tackle even the most stubborn smells, leaving your boat, camping toilet, or RV smelling great. And with its ability to handle tanks from 2.5 to 40 gallons, perfect for any RVing adventure. Using Portapak is a breeze. Simply drop it into your tank, and it dissolves instantly, leaving no messy spills or stains. It's the easy, effective way to keep your RV's holding tank clean and odor-free. Trust Waylix, a global leader in odor control and sanitation products since 1987, provide you with the best solutions for your RV. Portapak is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a clean, comfortable, and odor-free RV experience. Your Tesla-wise pristine paint job getting bombarded by dirt and debris? Look no further than Behr's patented Mud Flaps. Loved by over 500,000 Tesla owners, these custom-designed mud flaps offer superior protection compared to the competition. They're a perfect fit for your 2020-2024 Tesla Model Y, precisely aligning with the existing holes for a seamless installation. No need to worry about drilling new holes or damaging your car's paint. Behr's mud flaps utilize the original mounting points, ensuring a hassle-free installation that leaves your Tesla looking factory fresh. And the best part? They come with everything you need to get started, so you can have them on in no time. Constructed from the same durable PP plus TPE composite material used in the factory, these mud flaps are built to withstand the toughest conditions. Say goodbye to snow, mud, dust, gravel, and sand. Your Tesla's lower body is now under the protection of a military-grade shield. Not only do these mud flaps protect your car's exterior, but they also help prevent premature rusting of the tie rod and ball head. This means fewer car washes, less paint damage, and a longer-lasting Tesla. So why wait? Give your Tesla Y the protection it deserves with Behr's mud flaps. Ever feel like you're being watched on the road? With the Uniden DFR1, you can rest easy. This compact radar detector offers 360-degree protection against both radar and laser guns, and it's so discreet, even the most advanced detectors can't spot it. Thanks to Uniden's Eagle Eye laser detection technology, you'll get a heads up when law enforcement is targeting you. And with 3 customizable modes, you can tailor your DFR1 to your driving environment, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. Plus, the DFR1's false alert filtering helps minimize distractions, so you can focus on the road. And when you're done driving, your settings are saved, so you're ready to go the next time you hit the road. The Uniden DFR1 comes with everything you need to get started, including a 12-volt DC power cord, dual suction cup windshield mount, hook and loop fastener tape, and a spare fuse. So why wait? Protect yourself with the Uniden DFR1. Ever been stranded on the side of the road with a dead battery? It's a nightmare, right? That's where the Stol M6 jump starter comes in. With a whopping 3,000 amps of peak current, This little powerhouse can easily jumpstart your car, truck, SUV, or even a small boat. Whether you've got a gas-guzzling 10-liter engine or a diesel beast up to 8 liters, the M6 is ready to get you back on the road. And don't worry about making mistakes. It's packed with safety features like overcurrent, overvoltage, temperature protection, and reverse polarity protection. It's like having your own personal mechanic on hand, but without the hefty bill. But that's not all. The M6 is a multi-tool for your car. Need a flashlight? Got it. Want to send an SOS signal? It's got that too. Plus, you can charge your phone or other devices with its USB port. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your vehicle. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, the M6 is the perfect companion for any adventure. So, ditch the anxiety and grab an M6. You'll be glad you did. So, you're looking for a car fridge that can keep your snacks and drinks cool on road trips? Look no further than the EUHomie electric cooler. This versatile fridge can be powered by AC or DC, but you can use it at home or in your car. Plus, it comes with a 2-year tech support guarantee, so you're covered if you have any question. One of the cool things about this fridge is its dual-zone design. This means you can keep different types of food at different temperatures without worrying about odors mixing. And the removable basket makes it easy to organize your stuff. You can even control the fridge remotely using your phone, thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity. Speaking of performance, this fridge packs a punch. It can go from 68 degrees Fahrenheit to a chilly 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, thanks to its advanced variable frequency compressor. And it's energy efficient too, with an average power consumption of only 45 watts. You can even choose between Eco mode for maximum savings or Max mode for rapid cooling. Battery protection is also a big deal. This fridge has 3 levels of battery protection, so you can adjust the input power to prevent overloading or draining your car's battery. And since it can be powered by both AC and DC, you can use it almost anywhere. Finally, this fridge is designed with convenience in mind. It has a removable handle for easy carrying, a simple LCD control panel, and an internal LED light, so you can see what you're doing in the dark.